Disable control+enter when typing a message in Lync. Is it possible to disable or reconfigure the control+enter keyboard shortcut that starts a video call to the user I'm chatting with? I've used this keyboard shortcut to send messages in other clients for years. I have to use Lync at work, and I'm driving my colleagues, and myself, crazy by starting a video call invite for every second message I write. Preferably I'd like to reconfigure this shortcut to mean send, but I'd go with disabling it if that's the only option.
This has been driving me mad too, since in any other app control+enter means send. Anyway, I found a post about disabling control+enter for Outlook with a registry hack. I thought I'd give it a try for Lync, and to my surprise it did work. So, open Regedit. Navigate to ku/software/policies/Microsoft. Right-click Microsoft and add new key Office. Right-click Office and add a new key named 15.0, or whatever your Office version number is. Right-click the version number key, add a new key and call it Lync. Right-click Lync and add the new key disabled shortcut keys checkboxes. Right-click the disabled shortcut keys checkboxes key and select new string value. Name it control+enter. Right-click control+enter, select Modify and set the value to 13,8, that's 13,8. Restart Lync. I killed the Lync process and then started it up again. Now control+enter should no longer do anything. Update if you also want to disable control+shift+enter, which by default starts an audio call. You can add a control+shift+enter string value with data set to 13,12. To quickly apply both above changes you can create a file with a.reg extension, for example, fixlync.reg, fill it with the content below and run it. Note, version number 15.0 corresponds to Office 2013, tune this value if necessary.
I was unable to get the registry hack to work on SFB 2016 with Windows 10 v1703, first creators update. However, the following auto hotkey hot string works as well, assuming you have auto hotkey installed.